Perpetuity revision part 2. We did 3 questions in part 1. In that, in question number 3, the word perpetuity is mentioned clearly. But in question number 1 and 2, from the words forever, at the beginning of, from these words, it is clear how to calculate perpetuity. Now, we will see some more questions based on perpetuity. Question number 4. Find the present value of a perpetuity of rupees 500 payable at the end of each quarter if money is worth 8% per annum. At the end of, therefore we are using the formula P is equal to capital R divided by small I. What is capital R? 500. What is small I? R divided by 100. Rate of interest per period. Therefore here rate of interest per quarter. It is given 8% per annum. Therefore in order to convert into per quarter we are dividing by 4. Therefore I is equal to 8 divided by 4, that whole divided by 100. 2 divided by 100. Therefore P is equal to R divided by I is equal to 500 divided by 2 divided by 100. Question number 5. Find the present value of a perpetuity of rupees 100 payable at the beginning of every 6 months if money is worth 6% per annum. Therefore, at the beginning of every 6 months, there we have to concentrate. Which formula will use? P is equal to R into 1 plus small I divided by small I. Therefore, we are simplifying and making into form R plus R divided by I. What is R in this question? 300. I is 6 divided by 2 whole divided by 100. Therefore, P is equal to 300 plus second term 300 divided by 3 divided by 100. Therefore, 300 plus 10,000, 10,300. Question number 6. What amount is received at the end of every 6 months forever if rupees 72,000 kept in a bank earns 8% per annum compounded half yearly? Here at the end of every 6 months forever, that part we will concentrate. Therefore we will apply P is equal to R divided by I. Here it is given P, 72,000 is P. We have to find R. Okay, therefore 72,000 is equal to R divided by capital R divided by small I. What is small I? Rate of interest per period. That means here rate of interest per half year. Therefore 8 divided by 2 whole divided by 100. 4 divided by 100. Therefore 72,000 is equal to R divided by capital R divided by 4 divided capital R divided by 4 divided by 100. Can get the value of capital R. Question number 7. At what rate of interest will the present value of a perpetuity of rupees 300 payable at the end of each quarter by rupees 24,000? Therefore, at the end of each quarter, there you will give more importance. Therefore, we are applying the formula P is equal to R divided by I. Here P it is given. What is P? It is 24,000. What is R? 300. What is small I? R divided by 100, where R is rate of interest per quarter. Therefore, R divided by 4 whole divided by 100, that is I. R divided by 4, We are converting rate of interest per annum into rate of interest per quarter. That's why dividing by 4. Therefore, small I is r divided by 4 whole divided by 100. Okay. Therefore, we are getting the equation 24,000 is equal to 300 divided by r divided by 400. Question number 8. A man wants to deposit a lump sum amount so that an annual scholarship of rupees 3,000 is paid. Rate of interest is 5% per annum. Calculate the lump sum amount required if the scholarship is to start at the end of this year and continue forever. The formula which we are using is P is equal to R divided by small I. Here capital R is given as rupees 3,000. What is small I? Small r divided by 100. That is 5 divided by 100. Therefore, using the formula P is equal to 3,000 divided by 5 divided by 100, we are getting the value of the perpetuity. Question number 9. What sum of money invested now could establish a scholarship of rupees 5,000 which is to be awarded at the end of every year forever? If money is worth 8% per annum. At the end, that means we are using P is equal to R divided by capital R divided by small I. What is capital R? It is given 5,000. What is small I? R divided by small r divided by 100. That is 8 divided by 100. Therefore, using that formula, we get capital P is equal to 5,000 divided by 8 divided by 100.